foreign investors pulling out huge amounts. The Indian market is under pressure due to heavy FII selling. Is this a major crash or just a temporary dip? How big is this FII sell off and what does it mean for Indian investors? To explain it all, we have financial expert Mr. Satish Prabhu with us. Sir, over to you.
Selling by FIs, again, they are also businessmen, right? So they invest in different countries across the world. And whenever they find that valuations are higher in one country, they go to a country which has got relatively low valuation. And always, well, valuations follow earning. The moment there is selling, your valuations, obviously the prices fall and your valuations will also come down. And whenever they catch up with earnings, FIs will anyway come back. So they're all businessmen. They will look at any country which is giving them the best value for money. The moment they find India has good value for money, they will come back to India. It's just that it's a matter, it's for them, it's business. So it's just asset allocation. So today they find India to be relatively highly valued. Now, will India be permanently valued that way? Obviously not, because as your earnings grow, your valuations will obviously come down. You will find FIs coming back to India at some point of time, and it's not the first time they have sold in the past. They have bought again. They have again sold. They have again bought. All these monies move in cycles, and this is one of those cycles.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubts regarding this or any other financial decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial experts. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like. If you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thanks for watching.